Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jereel on your screen with a new video. If you're new to this channel, you're most definitely welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. Make sure that you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make an aloe vera soap, an aloe vera anti-pimple, anti-sunburn soap. If you're interested in learning how to make this soap, please keep on watching and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not subscribed. Comment below and share this video, and do not skip the ads, most importantly. So to make this soap, we'll be needing a soap base, and this is my glycerin soap base. This soap base is clear in color. There's a glycerin soap base, and I'll be chopping up the soap base into little chunks, and now I'm transferring it into a bowl where I'll proceed to melt this soap base on fire or through heat using the double boiling method. Please always make sure that you don't cook this base directly to the fire. Use a double boiling method, whereby you put water in a pot and place your soap base or top of it in a bowl, just as you see from the video. And when my soap is well melted, we'll proceed to the next step. So guys, my soap is all melted. I have the melted soap base now. So we'll go ahead and start mixing all the ingredients so that it do not solidify quickly. So now I have my aloe vera gel. This gel is 99% aloe vera gel. I decided to use the store-bought aloe vera gel. I had an option of using the fresh aloe vera plant, but I wanted to use the gel. Maybe in another video I'll show you guys how to use the plant. So I'm taking a huge amount of aloe vera gel because we know that this is an aloe vera soap. So I'm taking enough aloe vera gel out of the container. Now this is the benefit of this aloe vera soap. We know aloe vera has its cooling and soothing functions, whereby it cools any inflammation that your skin is suffering. Just like you're breaking out, you have sunburn, this aloe vera combats it and treats it very well. So we incorporating aloe vera into a soap is just going to make the job easier. So for moisturizing effect, I'll be adding my almond oil. You can always use vitamin E oil, but I have almond oil, so I'll be adding my almond oil into the soap base as well. And almond oil helps moisturizes the skin. It doesn't leave your skin dry. It makes your skin very healthy, glowy and supple. So the next ingredient I'll be adding now is my vitamin E oil. I said to add both of them because I'm heavy-handed. Okay, I said add both of them, which vitamin E oil also has moisturizing effect. It makes your skin look very healthy, very glowy and supple at the same time. Okay, so this incorporated into your aloe vera soap is going to give you the antifungal, antibacterial effects that you desire. Aloe vera is a very cooling and soothing agent for the skin, so it's all wise that we have it incorporated into our soap. So the next thing I'm going to be adding now is my rose water, and rose water is very good for the skin. Many people uses it as a facial cleanser, but I'm incorporating this into my soap. Rose water almost has the same effect as aloe vera, very soothing. It clears sunburns, hyperpigmentation, and also combats acne. So I'm going to incorporate this into my soap today so that we can have 4-in-1 result. So the next item I'm going to be adding now is my food coloring. I said to use food coloring, not cosmetic coloring, because in as much as this food coloring, we can actually ingest this and it has no effect in the human body. So I'll be adding my green food coloring for a little bit of color, of course, to make it look very attractive at the same time. While adding all these ingredients, make sure to keep stirring and stirring so that the soap do not solidify. Stir it very well so incorporate all the ingredients faster before the soap solidifies. Okay, so now I'm going to be stirring that in and dissolving the particles of the green color and also taking out the excess. So now I'm going to proceed to pouring my soap base into a soap mold. This is a silicone soap mold, so I'm going to be pouring the soap base into the soap mold, and I'm going to let this sit on a table for 2 hours so that it solidifies, and I'll see you guys. So now our soap is fully dried and solidified, and I'll be popping them out of the silicone mold. Someone will be wondering, why is the soap too small? Well, this will be enough to wash both the body and the face. Of course, this soap is for every part of your body. You can use it as a regular bathing soap, but because of its small size, I always prefer using it on my face. Especially my face is the most important area of concentration. But while you're making this soap, if you decide to make it in big quantity, that will imply from the size of your soap mold. So you can make this in big quantity, bigger than this, but generally, guys, this soap is just so cute. It's so small and so cute. Yeah, so this soap, it should be applied on the face, okay, while you're bathing. Use it to wash your face. You can even apply it prior before having your bath, but it's just okay anyhow you choose to apply it. So this is how the soap is. This is how it turned out. It is very healing, very nice, and it also has a very nice fragrance. Okay, I did not add external fragrance. I just worked with the fragrance in all the ingredients I used, and it turned out so nice. So if you're going to try this out, let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Comment below, share this video to your friends. At least let everybody know how to make soaps for themselves. Be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, like I said before, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.